So let's talk about JavaScript array that push, that pop, and shift methods. They're related, that's why I just added them in one video. And these methods are used to add items at the beginning of the array or at the end of the array, or remove items from the beginning or at the end of the array. It doesn't work in the middle or before the last or before the first. They only work at the beginning, or you're dealing with the end of the array. So let's talk about array that push. If you want to add items at the end of the array, then you can use array that push. So let's try to use to add this lemon right here. So I'm just gonna call forth the fruits and then the that push right here, and I'm gonna add the lemon. So let's try to console.log fruits. As you can see, the lemon is already added in here. So that's how the push works. You can push multiple items as well, like test or number 25. So you can do that as well. I'm just gonna delete that, and let's move forward with array that push. So array that pop, I mean. So what is array that pop? It is used to remove items at the end of the array. So if you can push it, you can pop it. So that's fruits that pop. So if I save this, the JavaScript will rerun and it will remove this element right here, the lemon. So as you can see, it removes the lemon. If I try to run it again, it will remove the banana, and I can go forth and until I can remove all the elements in the array. So that's just how the array that pop works. It deletes item at the end of the array. So let's move forward with our JavaScript array that unshift. So if you can add at the end of the array, you can also add at the insert at the beginning of the array. So that's just how the unshift works. So let's call for it again, the fruits that unshift, and then we're gonna paste in the um, grapes right here. So as you can see, the grape is added at the first item of the array. I can add other items as well as in here. I can add multiple grapes, so it will work. So unshift is the opposite of push, because push adds item at the end. The unshift adds item at the beginning. And let's move forward with the shift. So if you can pop at the end, so this pop removes item at the end. The unshift removes item from the first removes the first element of the array. So let's try to call for fruits dot shift right here. You can notice that these grapes, the grape is removed now. So that's just how it works. I can call shift again, and it will remove the watermelon, and it will remove the pineapple, and I can go forth and it will remove all of the items in the array. So that's just how this method works: the push, pop, and shift. If you call for push, it will return the length of the array. So let's just const res is equals to fruits console dot log res. Let's call it push. Oh no. Right here, it will return the length of the array. If I call forth the pop, it will return the popped element. Okay, let's try to console.log that as well. Right here, it pops the lemon, right? Because we are trying to pop the lemon here. And it console.logs the lemon. And then the same goes for the unshift. It will return the length, same with the push, and then the shift, it will return as well the removed item. So if you want to add an item, it will return you the length. If you want to remove an item, it will return you the removed item. So that's just how the push, pop, unshift, and shift works in JavaScript.